Alrighty guys, real quick, I'm at Brothers Motors today. Like I said earlier, I got this van here. There's a misfire in it, guys. We got to find out exactly what's going on. Now, from my understanding, the preliminary stuff has been done already. Ooh, yeah. I know that sun blocking y'all, but I don't know if y'all can see that shake, but it's actually misfiring. The preliminary stuff I'm referring to is like spark plugs, coils, things like that. Typical stuff you should do. However, I think another shop told him he got low compression, but yeah, we don't usually go off other shop diagnoses. So what we're gonna do is diagnose it ourselves. You can do that. You ain't got nothing to lose. You ain't working for him. I got like 50 grand. Let's give the good old Harbor Freight gauge a test. All right. Yeah. Yeah, it was. It's 90 though, so that's still low. That's what I say. Let's have something to compare it with. Go to the next one. Yeah, so we're getting 120 over here. So it's basically low compression out of cylinder 2. All right, guys, we do in fact have low compression in cylinder 2. 4 and 6 is up to par. Okay, now we did want the whole complete bank. Here's what we're gonna recommend, guys. I was expecting to find broken rocker arm. Notice I got the lobes off of the rock arm, so the lobes are not causing it to be held down. Now we got low compression right here. So what do you do when you have low compression? A couple of things. You can go in with a leak down test, but this is a known issue that we're aware of on this vehicle. Cylinder head will usually cause this. We might have a pit on the valve. I've seen this time and time again. The exhaust valve got a pit on it. So, but you can't, or it's too risky to do a valve job. A valve job is where you go in and replace the valves that burnt. I'm going to go out on a limb and say burnt exhaust valves, which will require a head. Okay, in other words, FCA recommend we do a head when we have that problem. Okay, but the moral of the story, you don't need a complete engine. So what I'm going to recommend we do is the head and all new rock arms, so he will never have the ticking issue. We're going in with the revised, updated rock arms. Alrighty, guys, he's right. Here go my parts right here. Y'all know my minivan I'm working on, my buddy's YouTube buddy. All right, so he got my parts right here, guys. Y'all can see here 24 brand new freaking rocker arms. The revision. What are we up to now? 8H, guys. Y'all see that? So if you're doing any kind of ticker jobs right now, make sure the rocker arms that you're using is revised letters 8H. This is obviously the latest and greatest because I got these parts from the dealer. Guys, somebody asked me, should you buy these aftermarket? No, totally. Especially Derman. None of that Derman stuff over here, man. Don't get these aftermarket. Get these OEM Mopar. Okay, I got 24 new ones. I know they have a bad rap. That's because they wasn't revised. They now revised better, using better material. They got on the vendor's ass about quality, and here we are. I have yet to replace one of these again. Okay, in other words, if I replace the revised letter, never had to do it again, which means they likely got it right. I know it sounds like I'm defending them. Maybe that's true. But yeah, here's my head gasket. I only need one head gasket because I'm only pulling one head. Yeah, I'm not. It's a V engine, but I'm not doing the other head. We will, however, put rock arms on that other head. Okay, we're trying to make it to where buddy won't have to go into this engine ever again. Okay, yes, if you repair the known problems that you have with something, likely that is the outcome you may have. Now it's a known problem, so, but it's not a problem right now, but it's a known problem. So in essence, we're acting counterproductive. No, we're acting proactive. Right? Is that the proper word I'm using? Yeah. So there's no problem with it, but we in here. Okay, now mileage is not high enough to justify cam phasers and things like that. Okay, but however, yes, definitely rock arms. And those cam phasers will hang around forever if your rock arms don't start giving out. Things like it's like a train, guys. So that's yeah, the head. Brand new, guys. Remember I told y'all, I think I did a shorts on this. Brand new, latest and greatest head. All right, we had Misfire in cylinder 2. Did a compression test. I think it's cylinder, no, it's cylinder 2 because the cam phase is right here. Found out that low compression in cylinder 2. Now, what do you do when that happens? You got to find out why the compression low. We got the head off
found out the exhaust valve is burnt. Well, you can tell that without taking the head off. So we had to, we in essence sold the job. We got my partner taking the head off. I got we pulling double duty. I'm at the dealership getting the parts. I'm headed back up there now. I might have to put it all back together. We're trying to get this done in a manner, proper timing. So I got to head back. Let me box all this up. I just wanted to show y'all, get a film of this. I met this dude on YouTube. A real cool dude. Real cool guy. Okay, let me wrap all this up. Brand new head, my buddy. We about to get you rolling. You will not have that misfire ever again. Okay? Yeah, so let me box all this up, guys. We got work to do. Coolant, oil filter, 24 rock arms, and a head gasket. Guys, the reason you don't see valve covers here because the valve covers are reusable, right? You do not have to replace valve covers every time you remove. These are thick, all right? Yeah, they 2 or 3 time uses. All right, guys, we got work to do. I'll cover some more on this video later, so y'all stay tuned.
Here it is. Where's cylinder? This is cylinder 2. Yes. Oh man, y'all see that? That crack right there, guys. That is why you're losing pressure, guys. That is where your misfire right there. What I have to do is this. All right, I have to put in a new cylinder here, guys. There's my head gasket right there. All right, so there's no way around it. We can't repair, or we shouldn't. All right, that little crack right there causing my loss of compression in cylinder 2, which making the car misfire.
We're completely sold out.
Completely sold out. Oh,
well,
no.
we can order it in though.
When would it get here?
Monday by 4:30.
Monday? Oh no.
And that's if you.
That's fine.
Can't get it in the
I'd
morning?
say it most likely would get here Tuesday then because it's after 3 p.m. But yeah, our hub doesn't.
Nobody have that hose. Oh my goodness. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Hope you have a good day.
Oh well. Oh my goodness. Bad news. Okay, I'm gonna have to call Buddy up. I can't find that hose nowhere, guys. I'm literally, I'm on the street. This is a main street. 5 parts department or parts stores on this street. Nobody got that freaking hose. All right, man, y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, I forgot about. I have one last option, guys. Napa. Let's go in here and find out if we can get lucky, okay? Because I hate for Buddy to have to drive away. He's an hour away, and I hate for him to have to drive back on that side of town. Actually, the hose is just collapsed, so if all else fail, he just have to reuse the same hose and just get it done when a part come in. But yeah, I hate working like this, man. There is nothing special about this hose. I don't understand why the hell they don't have it. Let's see if I can get any luck with Napa, guys. Y'all hold tight. Hey, I need a operated hose.
Grand Caravan?
Grand Caravan with a 3.6 in it.
Operated hose?
Operated hose, yes.
We don't have it.
Oh my God.
I'm going to check and see who does, okay?
Holy crap. I mean, I'm just saying, it's amazing how that little hose, like nobody, all up down 78, nobody got it.
Well, it's just we don't have it at this particular store.
All right, let me see what we're going to do. Thanks. All right. Well, y'all heard that. Another no-go. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm out of options, guys. I tried. Damn it. That's the thing. Like, had we known, we could at least ordered it and had it here the next day. But everything is all spontaneous running. Well, y'all hold tight, man. We'll see what's going on. Let's continue. Alrighty, guys. As y'all see, this thing is running, baby. Y'all remember how this was shaking at first because of that bad vibration, that misfire? Cylinder 2. It's gone, guys. Got a brand new cylinder head on there. We're gonna go detail this thing, get it cleaned up, All right, yeah, guys, y'all know my motto. You're gonna run like new, might as well look like new. Okay, my man's gonna be happy. One happy camper, guys. Another satisfied customer. I mean, look at that. You can't even tell the top end moving. Now, try to show some of the diagnosis where we did the compression test. Low compression in cylinder 2, but no more. All right, so we got it running. Like I said, we're gonna test drive it and then go clean it up real good. That should be a wrap. In fact, he's on his way now, so we want to be ready by the time he get here. So another satisfied customer, guys. So y'all know the drill. Y'all know the location. Y'all know the number. Give us a call. You got any problems? We got you. Okay. So let me go out here. He gonna go get that cleaned up. Yeah, ain't she pretty? She pretty. Go get this thing cleaned up, man. My dude on the way. He early. He coming from another side of town. So we want to make sure he's right. Oh. Okay, he got the engine out of that thing. But anyway, we trying to clean up our... Gonna run like new, might as well look like new. That's our motto, baby. All day long. It is purling like a kitten who just got off the test drive. So it's gonna be nice and ready by the time he get here. So y'all hold tight, man. Alright guys, this is YouTube channel, Online Mechanic Tips. This is one of my buddies over here. He owned his Chrysler Caravan. It had a few problems, okay, minor problem. No ticking issue, it just had some running rough issue. But we got that squared away. My man here is set, ready to go. No more, it's all island now. Y'all can see the rest of that video. So my dude, I appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, thanks for trusting in us to repair your car. Okay, yeah. It's all about trust, guys. So we want to highlight some of the customers, and we expect a Google review. You know, do Google review.
Yeah, I will. Sir.
Yeah, please do a Google review because that helps with customer base as well. And I'm gonna put the number down here on the end where you can contact Brothers Motors if you need your car repaired. All right.
Okay.
Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you, man.